Dear students, in this lecture we shall learn material variances. Let us suppose this is the standard price and this one is the standard quantity. This becomes our standard. But when production is done, actual price is different. This one is actual price. And actual quantity produced is also different. Let us suppose this one is actual quantity. Because standard quantity and actual quantity both are different, we would have to revise the standards. Let us suppose we have revised the standards, and revised standard quantity is this one, a revised standard quantity. You have to remember this thing. With this picture, we can see that 4 lines can be drawn. First one is this one, second is this one, and third one is standard price and actual quantity. 1, 2, third line 3, and fourth line is this one. So the lines being drawn are, first line is standard price into standard quantity. Second line being drawn is standard price into revised standard quantity. Third line being drawn is standard price into actual quantity, and fourth line being drawn is actual price into actual quantity. These 4 lines are being drawn. In solving the numerical problems, we shall find out what is the standard price, what is the standard quantity. Usually these figures are given in the numerical problem. We would have to calculate the revised standard quantity. Actual quantity and actual price are usually given. And after this, we shall find out these 4 calculations for each material. For example, there are 3 materials A, B and C. We shall calculate these things for material A, material B and material C respectively. Now let us see how variances are to be calculated. The difference between first calculation and fourth calculation, it would be material cost variance. It is calculation 1 minus calculation 4. After this, we shall divide these in 2 parts. Here we can find out difference between third and fourth. The difference between calculation third and fourth would be material price variance. It is 3 minus 4. Calculation 3 minus calculation 4. And the difference between first and third calculation would be material usage variance. Usage variance. It is calculation 1 minus calculation 3. There would be 2 parts. One part would be material yield variance and second would be material mix variance. Material yield variance, it would be calculation 1 minus calculation 2, and material mix variance, calculation second minus calculation third. In this way we shall calculate the variances. Let us revise it. First one is material cost variance. It would be calculation 1 minus calculation 4. Calculation 1 is standard price into standard quantity, and calculation 4 is actual price into actual quantity. Material price variance, it is calculation 3 minus calculation 4. Calculation 3 is standard price into actual quantity, and calculation 4 is actual price into actual quantity. Then material usage variance, it is the difference between first calculation and third calculation. First calculation we have done it standard price into standard quantity, and third calculation is standard price into actual quantity. Then is material yield variance. It is first minus second calculation. First calculation is standard price into standard quantity, and second calculation is standard price into revised standard quantity. And then material mix variance, it is the difference between second and third calculation, which is standard price into revised standard quantity and standard price into actual quantity. Now let us see how these revised standard quantities are to be calculated and how the numerical problem is to be solved. In this numerical problem, we are given that standard cost of the product is given as 40% material X at rupees 20 per kg, 60% material Y at rupees 30 per kg. The standard loss is expected at 10%. The actual usage of material, 90 kgs of material X has been used at the rate of rupees 18 per kg. 110 kgs of material Y has been used at the rate of rupees 34 per kg. We are given that total weight of output, total weight of production is 182 kgs. This is output, 182 kgs. We have to calculate the material variances. We did that. Our standard price is this one, while actual price was different. Standard quantity is given as this one, but actual quantity being produced is different. So we would have to calculate the revised standard quantity. We can draw the lines: standard price into standard quantity, standard price into revised standard quantity, standard price into actual quantity, and last one is actual price into actual quantity. The four lines have been there: 1, 2, 3 and 4. The lines are, first one is standard price into standard quantity, second is standard price into revised standard quantity, third one is standard price into actual quantity, and fourth one is actual price into actual quantity. These four lines have been there. We have two types of materials. You can see material X and material Y. Material X and material Y. In this problem, we are given the actual usage: 90 kgs of material X and 110 kgs of material Y. but standard quantity is not given. Let us write it. Actual quantity is to be used in these two columns. It is 90 kgs in case of material X and 110 kgs in case of material Y. Total of these both quantities come to be 200 kgs. This is actual quantity. Actual price that is given to you in the problem. Actual price of material X is rupees 18. Actual price of material Y is 34. 18 and 34. So 18 into 90, 34 into 110. This is to be calculated. Standard price is given in the problem. It is 20 and 30 respectively. So standard price into actual quantity can be calculated. Standard price of material X is 20 and actual quantity is 90. Standard price of material Y is 30 and quantity is 110 kgs. We can calculate. It comes to be 1800, it comes to be 3300, and total comes to be rupees 5100. In this case, 18 into 90 is 1620 and 34 into 110, it is 3740. Total comes to be rupees 5360, 5360. Now let us take up first two columns. Firstly, the first column is given standard price into standard quantity. Standard price is rupees 20 and 30 respectively. Standard price is 20 and 30. Now standard quantity. Standard quantity would have to be calculated. We shall calculate it. Standard quantity. In this problem, we are given that the output is 182 kgs. Standard quantity can be calculated from the output. It is to be calculated as output into 100 divided by 100 minus standard loss. Output is 182 kgs into 100 divided by 100 minus 10. It is 182 into 100 divided by 90. This comes to be 202.22 kgs. This is your total standard quantity, 202.22. In case of material X, standard quantity would be 202.22 multiplied by 40% because it is given in the problem. It is 80.89, and for material Y it would be 202.22 into 60%. It is 121.33. This is the standard quantity. So calculate the figures. 20 into 80.89, it comes to be 1617.8. Second is 121.33, so 30 into 121.33, it comes to be 3640. Now total of these two items, it comes 5257.8. Now the second calculation is remaining. Standard price is 20 and 30 respectively. So far as revised quantity is concerned, the total weight of actual usage is to be taken, which is to be 200 kgs. Its 40% would be material X, that is for 200 kgs into 40%, it is 80, and for material Y it would be 200 kgs into 60%. It is given here 60%. While calculating revised standard quantity, total weight of actual mix is to be taken, and it is to be in the ratio of standard quantity, 80 kgs and 120 kgs. 20 into 80 is equal to 1600, 30 into 120 is equal to 3600. It comes to be 5200. You can see that the weight of revised standard quantity is 200. Weight of actual quantity is 200. The weight would be equal. So far as standard quantity is concerned, its weight would be different. Its weight has been calculated as this one. Is the formula is to be taken like this: output into 100 divided by 100 minus standard loss. Now we have calculated the four figures: standard price into standard quantity, standard price into revised standard quantity, standard price into actual quantity, and actual price into actual quantity. Now we can find out the variances. Material cost variance would be the difference between first and fourth item, 5257.8 minus 5360. It is equal to 102.2 adverse. If answer is negative, we shall mark it adverse variance. Now let us calculate material price variance. This is calculation 3rd minus calculation 4. It is 5100 minus 5360. It is 260 adverse, because answer is negative. Now material usage variance. This is equal to the difference between first and third calculation, 5257.8 minus 5100. It comes to be 157.8 favorable. When answer is positive, the variance would be marked as favorable. Then two variances are left. First one is material yield variance. It is first minus second calculation. This is 5257.8 minus 5200. It comes to be 57.8 favorable. And last is material mix variance. It is difference between second and third calculation, which is equal to 5200 minus 5100. This is 100 favorable. Because answer is positive, the variance would be favorable. All these calculations are to be based on the calculation of 4 lines, and the 4 lines are standard price into standard quantity, then is standard price into revised standard quantity, standard price into revised standard quantity. Third line is standard price into actual quantity, and fourth one is actual price into actual quantity. In this way, the material variances are to be calculated. Thank you.